Welcome back. By now, those of us who are fortunate enough to work from home should be very used to the video conference, the Zoom meeting, the Teams meeting, the meeting in Google Hangouts, and whatever other video conferencing tool that you can have. Now, there's a variety of tools out there that can allow you to change your background. In Zoom, however, that's built in. And talking of backgrounds, the BBC Archive has released hundreds of empty sets from the BBC Archive that could potentially be used as a Zoom background to cater that little bit more conversation and to make things just a bit more fun and not sterile and starchy in that meeting. So here we go, and I'll put the link in the comment section. The BBC Archive, bbc.co.uk/archive, empty sets collection. That'll take you to the joy of sets, which is great. And as you can see in here, there's loads of sets going from sitcoms for Only Fools and Horses, Dad's Army, Steptoe and Son, Porridge, Faulty Towers, The Good Life, you name it. Yes, Minister, they're all in here. And then for entertainment sets, which is probably a bit more in the front of more people's minds, such as Strictly Come Dancing, things like that. So using these set pictures, and of course there's always a bit of science fiction with, you know, Quatermass, Blake Seven, Doctor Who, and what have you. Getting these into Zoom couldn't be easier. I've got a Zoom meeting down here. Typical Zoom interface. Click New Meeting. Okay, so I'm not going to start my video yet. I'm using my collaboration kernel account. What we're going to do, we're going to go into Choose Virtual Background. Now, you see Zoom has picked up a few backgrounds for us already. Here, you know, nice bridges, bit of grass, space. Also some video. Now, adding in pictures from the archive couldn't be easier. Click on the plus, click on Add Image. I've got a folder of backgrounds, and I could be popped out in the Bridge of the Starship Enterprise. Great stuff. Move my head around, it tracks quite well. My hands, depending on how gestive you're gonna be, could be a bit of a problem. Adding other backgrounds as well. Again, add image. Got a bit of Game of Thrones, Millennium Falcon, and again, we got like Saturday Morning Swap Shop. And you can see the image is mirrored. When people join in, they'll see it the right way round. You can also rotate your image, should you want to. Here I am upside down. No body, apparently. There you go. Why did you want to do that? I don't know. Probably depending on what device you're on. Let's add another one. The pub of EastEnders. There you go. Where are you, pet? That sort of thing. So you can have quite a lot of fun with it. And this is typically, you know, I'm using no green screen. I've got a high back chair as well, which is probably interfering with it. But my image is quite clear on the screen. So, great. So that's static images. What about video images? So let's go on to plus. Add video. Let's go into downloads. Now I've got some videos here as well. So I've got some fire. Now this is going to loop in the background with the Ricardo logo as well at the bottom, or a Ricardo logo, and it'll keep on looping. Quite a good effect as well. Might be a bit too distracting. This is an MP4 file. It's not very big. But here's one that's 6 meg. A zombie invasion. Open that. Shoot another video. Okay. I've already actually put it in. So here it is. A white background. Doesn't work really that well with what I'm wearing. But here are shuffling zombies coming across the screen. How cool would that be for a Halloween stream? Or again, you know, just to kind of a little bit of fun if you're meeting with work colleagues. Obviously, if you've got something serious going on, you're not going to use it, are you? Use a bit of common sense, I suppose, isn't it? So, hey, there you go. That was to add video and static backgrounds, and also, you know, having a look at the BBC Archive with all the gold that's been in there over the past couple of years. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Check back for some more tech videos in the future. See you soon.